Hello beautiful people, Yasmin here. Welcome to Juliet Kitchen. Today I'm showing you how to make this incredibly delicious, super easy and quick shrimp fra diavolo. Fra diavolo is a bit spicy. I'm making mine a little bit extra spicy today, but it's something you could certainly adjust. So stick around long enough and you'll be able to see how I put together this super delicious and very easy shrimp fra diavolo. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is season the shrimp with salt and pepper. This is about a pound of shrimp. It's about 18 very large jumbo shrimp. So I have 3/4 teaspoon sea salt and half a teaspoon freshly ground black pepper. Just mix that all up. You want to make sure you devein and clean the shrimp, and it has to be very dry. So this is all ready. Okay, so I have all of my ingredients prepped. Now it's time to go to the stovetop and I'll take you through the ingredients as I'm cooking. Okay, I'm using a non-stick pan large enough to cook everything in. Okay, I've added about 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. I'm going to use high heat here. Medium high to high is fine. Okay, so what I want to do is quickly sear the shrimps. I'm going to do this in 2 batches. This takes no more than about, I would say, a minute per batch. You don't want to fully cook the shrimp. I'm going to take these out. I'm going to add in my second batch. Okay, I'm going to quickly turn the stove down to medium-low. I'm going to carefully add in my onions. That's 1 medium onion slice. I'm adding in my sliced carrots. This is 2 medium carrots sliced. I'm going to season with some salt and freshly ground black pepper. I'm going to turn back up the heat to medium here and cook this for about 2 minutes. You want to give it a couple of stirs during the 2 minutes. Okay, this is looking beautiful. Look at that. I'm going to add in some hot pepper flakes. This is 1 teaspoon. You could adjust the pepper flakes to suit your palate. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of fresh crushed garlic. I'm going to cook that for about 30 seconds or so. Okay, so now I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of, actually that's 2 tablespoons freshly squeezed lemon juice. The zest from 1 lemon and half a cup of drinkable white wine. I'm going to cook this down until it's reduced to about half. Okay, this took about a minute or so. So what I'm going to do now is add in tomatoes. This is 5 plum tomatoes that I've sliced. I'm going to add in half a cup of scallions, 1 tablespoon fresh dill, and a 1/4 cup of cilantro. Okay, I'm going to season this with salt and fresh ground black pepper, and I'm adding in, to take away some of the acidity, 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar. Okay, I'm going to allow this to cook until the tomatoes are nicely broken down. I'm going to cover. Okay, this has been cooking for about 8 minutes. Look at that. The tomatoes are nicely broken down. Okay, the carrots should be nice and soft. Let's check. Yep. So now what I want to do is add back the shrimps. You want to stir that to coat the shrimp well. Okay, I'm going to allow this to cook for about 3-4 minutes. This way the shrimp is cooked through. Okay, so I've cooked the shrimp for about 3 minutes. See, it looks nice and cooked. It's all ready, so I'm going to turn off the stove. How beautiful does that look? Wow, my favorite time of the day tasting the shrimp is absolutely tender. It's not tough at all. That's why the bigger shrimp work in this recipe. I'm actually serving this with some simple brown rice. You really don't need any other crazy flavors here. Wow, nice amount of spiciness without overwhelming the dish. The flavors all come together so beautifully. I hope that you'll take the time to make this recipe and enjoy it as much as we do around here. Until next time, happy cooking!